It's scary.
Watch the skies.
Any putas land here?
Locations are marked on your attack map.
There we go.
Hostiles deploy the mosquito.
Just
Have a
kidding.
gun. Have a gun. Have to fight.
Online.
They're next to that building.
Well, they're all there.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
In here? Ready? Oh, what the fuck?
Attack map. Get hunting.
No shot, bro.
Deploying. Well done. We are returning you to the front. Earn this.
Smoke loading.
Our counter UAV
Ooh.
is active.
Outside.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Where's that weapon? The ammo refill.
Oh, the ammo refill is downstairs where I'm at.
Well, I picked up a pistol. Oh fuck, we might die right here, Phil.
Did you hit the ammo refill?
No.
Where you at?
Time for vengeance.
Ammo refill right here, bro.
I can't believe I'm still alive right there, bro. I should have died.
Okay, be careful. There's people in here. What? He's right here in the corner. Right here in the corner.
Bottom, no? Bottom?
Watch my loot.
Yeah, I think
What
so.
the?
He got you too?
Bro, what? How the fuck do you motherfuckers?
I thought that was our teammate, bro.
That's exactly what it looked like because he's laying down over
Here you go.
You're losing ground. Move it. Hostile mosquito is online.
Here you go, here you go.
Thank you.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
there. Better reload that shit, bro.
Yeah, he already switched to his gun.
The fool's like, what the fuck is that, bro?
Alright, your squad's in the safe zone.
I got him. Broke him? I broke him. Motor strike.
Fucking water.
Gabriel, are you pushing out?
Enemies dropping in.
Yeah, I fucked up. I fucked up. Just three there. Three on that X. On that hill. Easy holds.
I hear footsteps. I think the niggas coming down here.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh, no.
Or they're above us.
Get loaded, get
Get
loaded.
loaded there, 'cause- Oh, fuck, he's right there.
Hostile guardian has been deployed.
Puta coming in. On Andy, on Andy.
You cracked him? I gassed one,
Contract failed.
On top, they're gassed.
Supply cache locations are offline. Contract's compromised.
No, what the fuck?
They in the farm.
Oh, hell no.
Oh,
Located the rest of them.
Angel.
You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. Dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Yep.
Kill.
That's so.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map.
I'm going for loaded, I'm going for loaded. Angel, people behind you? Be careful.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
What by? Your by?
But they're right behind us, bro. Right behind us.
Oh, that way.
Era me da mais alguma, mais me da.
I'm gonna end up from behind.
In the gas still?
Motherfucker had no
Yep.
ammo.
It's almost broken.
Push, no more here.
Got
Awesome,
one
man.
right there still. Landing on us?
What do you need? What do you need?
AR.
Here. Oh, what's only one?
Can peek that from the left.
Alright, where we going?
I'm getting peeked from behind. I'm getting peeked from behind.
Weapons free.
Should we in the water or?
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Okay.
Oh,
Gas is closing in.
Underneath.
The UAV popped next to that store. The counter UAV. There's still people down there. Oh, you guys left? Motherfuckers.
One shot, one shot.
oh,
You're good.
what the fuck is he?
Get your squad to the
Bitch ass nigga was hiding behind the fucking.
Come on back.
Ah, that shit disabled just.
No.
He's one shot. He's picking him up. Fuck, he picked him up.
You guys down below? Oh fuck.
Yeah, but below. I thought you were with us.
Not my bad, G.
Oh, that was tough. Oh, look at that. What's the high ground?
Comms.
Oh.
You're back
Oh
on.
shit. That's
Go get after it. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
No. We'll help Gabriel with that sniper. He's right here. Don't jump off. Yeah, Gabriel, I'm gonna ping this for you. Oh, you got it? Oh, yeah, Gabriel got that.
Oh,
I'm picking up this shit right now. Oh, that's
We've
tough,
got
bro.
10 squads active in the field.
Bro, the 8 piece, bro, this team just pushing from everywhere, bro.
Are you guys still below?
Where's
Fuck.
that? He's weak.
25 left.
Nice
Fire
little 8 piece.
sale
What
active.
the
Buy
fuck?
station prices have been reduced.
You got him in you or no?
Friendly buy station deployed.
Fuck.
I can buy Lodi if you want, on top of you guys.
You got reinforcements inbound.
What's up? He's down over here. Oh shit. Guy above me, second floor.
That's an Angel.
Yeah, he's above there. He's above there.
No, I mean, Angel's up there, bro.
No, second floor. Angel's third floor right now.
Oh.
On the tower?
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
I still hear him somewhere around here. What the fuck? Where the fuck am I getting aim from?
Gas is
Inside the church.
We lost that some bitch. Bounty contract's been pulled. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Move to the safe zone.
Oh shit.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Oh no! Oh no! Fuck!
I'm running, bro. I'm running.
Kill confirmed and we located the rest of them. Hostile Guardian is active. Hostile Guardian has been deployed.
Logo? Logo? I got fucking sent across the map. So, over there. Watch out. Just fly away, bro.
Your
Just fly
squad
away.
mates back on station. Good work.
I'm getting like sniper everywhere, bro. What do you mean?
Has been deactivated. This is the end.
Oh, I can't even. No. Oh, that's more than 30 seconds.
Supply crates are restocked. Advise
Hey,
Guy across from us.
you got a ping. There you go, Papa. You got a ping because this fucking just lost. Angel was like, Oh, bro, I almost to kill somebody right now for the issue, bro.
You got reinforcements inbound.
Hey, does Lodi drop again at you or not?
Hostile Guardian is active.
Ooh, boy.
I hear footsteps close.
Our Guardians lost power.
Yeah, over here on the side.
Got gas moving in.
Motherfuckers almost flush.
Get to the safe zone. Friendly buy station inbound. Location marked. Five squads still operational in the AO. Enemies deployed a counter UAV. Friendly buy station is ready.
Fucking dead. Those motherfuckers are hurt real bad, all four of them. All three of them.
Reach his
It's
mom.
tough. Oh, good shit. One right here. Two coming up on you guys. Two coming up.
Hey, help me, help me.
You're in the
No!
top 10. Keep knocking them out.
Chase that motherfucker. Chase him.
Damn, y'all thirsty ass food.
You're losing ground. Move it. Head to the safe zone.
Hey, try to think here, bro. Oh my! No! Choke! Ooh. Bro, you choked, Angel. You choked.
No!
There you go.